A man convicted of killing his estranged wife last year will remain in prison for the rest of his life.
That's the decision announced today by the Illinois Appellate Court. It affirmed Timothy Bliefnick's conviction in his sentencing this afternoon. Bliefnick filed an appeal this spring asking for a new trial. He based his appeal on what he referred to as an inadmissible evidence as the conflict with the Judge Robert Adrian presiding over the trial. Adams County Assistant State's Attorney Laura Keck repeated confidence, though, in the state's case.
The one thing that stuck out to me when I skimmed it was the evidence was overwhelming. And they said that a couple of different times, how overwhelming the evidence was. And in lawyer world, if the evidence is overwhelming, it's hard to ever win any type of appeal. So that's great news that the appellate court agreed with what we had always thought.
Bliefnick was found guilty of first-degree murder and home invasion. You can read the court's entire ruling right now online at WGEM.com.
Meanwhile, a Quincy